Hi, my name is Enrique Rosario, based out of Oceanside, California. Most of you have known me, if not the car, Creamy G. It's been down for some time, about 7 years, and slowly been hoarding some parts for the rebuild. And we're going with a mugen theme, with a little bit of a, modern day feel, update, and kind of a little bit of old school flavor to kind of give it that OG feel. And kind of just gonna go over a little few things on how the car is, things we have, parts we have, and what the plans are next few weeks, months, and hopefully this car's ready for 2021. Everything was sold on the car. I parted everything out. Honda tuning had shut down. Me and a buddy Alex, we had a magazine feature set up, and I just said, when Honda tuning went down, I said, you know what, let me do some pictures, shot a video with Brandon over by the beach, and then I just parted everything out, sold everything. Engine bay is empty as hell. We do have a motor, which we'll get to at the end of this video. A lot of stuff's gonna get shaved and tucked. A lot of custom parts gonna get done. Just a bunch of new stuff. It's gonna be dope. It's gonna be epic. It's gonna be something to really want to look out for. Recently, we had some work done from our fab. He did some mugen, pretty much replica tow hooks, had them welded to the body. I just had it powder coated here in San Marcos, cherry red. This actually is gonna come through my front bumper on the air duct, so it's tied onto the frame, it's welded, it's not gonna move. So I got a set of Volks. Two I had powder coated as a test run, like a Battleship Gray. 4x114, so the 97 spec ITR lug pattern. It's gonna go really good with the color of the car. And then behind you, we have, I'm gonna give you guys a little teaser of the car. The color for the car. We have mugen lip, oops. Mugen side skirts. This is the color of custom air ducts I had made a couple years back. A lot of guys have asked me about who makes it. I don't forget the guy's name. He was on NWP, but this is the color. This is the one color I wanted. It's a factory Honda color. It comes off the, it's called Don't Bite Me, or Beat Me to the Punch. But this is the color that's gonna go with everything. Kind of Battleship Gray with the black. It's all gonna just flow together with an array of mugen parts. It's just gonna flow real well. But yeah, I have the lip, I have the side skirts. Thanks Ryan for those. And I have that other pair of Volks I gotta paint or powder coat. And then just a lot of stuff to the body. Hopefully next, I should be getting my coilovers ready over at Auto Fashion. I'll be seeing you real soon. This is what we had done. So this is the rear tow hook that was made from our fab. Spec Fab out in Miramar actually did all the work for the welding. He did my custom exhaust that I wanted. I got the idea from a car in Japan. I think it's from one of the guys from Osaka JDM. It was on a black EK. I wanted something different, I wanted a twin loop. I had gone through 3 twin loops, but they're off ITR. And then I was like, you know what, do I want to go spoon? I already did those spoon themes, so why not do something different, something custom? And I told him what I wanted, and he fabbed this up, all stainless steel. It's gonna sound amazing. Straight pipe, got a V-band on there, no cat, no resonator, so with the motor that's gonna be going with this, it's gonna sound really freaking amazing. There is cutouts for the bumper, so around this exhaust is gonna be a dry carbon for that and the tow hook, which will be really good. It's gonna be real subtle. It's gonna actually match the roof. I'm planning on going with a full carbon fiber roof, which I'll probably pick up this next year before it goes off to paint. Like I said, a bunch of array of parts that are gonna go on this car. Next, we'll show you the motor actually. I picked this up from the same guy that fabricated my tow hooks, Ruben, our fab. Does a lot of custom stuff. Sold me the long block for a pretty decent price. So I got that. I already had a set of B series ITBs that I got from my boy up north. A set of A Sports, and it's gonna sound great with this motor. Just a CTR motor. I'm gonna refresh it, Super Tech valve chain I'll probably end up throwing on there. Some decent cams. Probably just run the oversized CTR pistons. Keep the crank. Probably change the rods and just kind of keep it subtle, nothing too crazy. The car's not gonna get tracked, so mainly a show car, but I want it to be fun yet reliable and just be able to romp on it when I get on the freeway, or just cruising down. Hey, let me crack some VTEC. So this will be the motor that we're gonna run with. I'm pretty happy about it. If anybody has any leads on a CTR tranny or a B16, please let me know. Hit the DMs. I need a B16 tranny so I can put this motor in. And yeah, that's about it for now. I have another bunch of parts I gotta order. A lot of parts are coming off. Stuff's getting painted, powder coated, fab work. We'll be shooting more videos. So this is kind of like an update just to let you guys know, hey, we're in the shadows right now. So you know what, 2021's coming up. Let's give everybody a heads up. Let them know what's going down, what's coming, how the car looks, what it stands like. I've shown a few friends what the car looks like, given some ideas, but it's alive, it's around, it's been in hiding. This is how the car is now. Mugen theme, hatch is there, more to come. Stay tuned. We'll be posting more pictures, more videos every couple weeks, couple months, just to kind of get you guys, throw a little fishing line and drag you in and get you guys in there. And 2021, it'll be ready.